this is our client's PS4, and as you can tell, the fan's really loud, and it turns off, according to the client, 10 to 15 minutes into gameplay. And I'm not going to wait for that because I already know what the problem is. I can tell that the fan gets loud, and we're going to take it apart and we're going to fix the problem so the console doesn't overheat and the fan is not loud like it is right now. Okay, so we're going to start disassembling the console by removing these two stickers at the back. These two stickers need to be removed. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because my phone is running out of batteries. I'm using my phone to record this. So, I remove these two screws, like so. I'm going to remove these two torque screws. I'm going to remove the bottom panel, prying out the sides. I have plastic tabs. Just use a knife like this, and as you can already see, there's lots of dust in here. Lots and lots of dust. Yeah, this is just bad. This is bad. Cleaning the dust out. Power supply is going to have to be removed. Man, I like this hoodie. It's going to get all dirty, but part of the job. I'm going to take the power supply out, like so. And remove the cables that are connecting to the board, like so. And we're going to flip the console over, remove the hard drive cover, and take all the screws out. Because to get to the heatsink, the motherboard has to come out, and that's where most of this dust is, and that's where the problematic dust is. That's where the dust is that's causing the system to overheat and malfunction. Okay. Lots of dust here also, which we're going to clean. And remove the power button from the front. Remove all the screws that hold the motherboard in place. power drive. This piece should come out. Jesus. Remove the fan from the side, and then the motherboard should just come out like so. Put the motherboard on the side. There's more dust in here that needs to be cleaned. Okay, and now to remove this panel here, we're going to remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, and I believe these 2 as well. They have to be removed. So there's 5 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. This piece should be out, and then this panel is going to be removed. Be careful with the signal cable. Now, just as I suspected, as you can see, this is the heatsink right here. This is the fan. As you can see, the heatsink is completely clogged. I mean, that's all, it's just all dust right here. You see that? It's like a layer that's peeling off. So this was blocking airflow completely from our console, right? And that's bad. And when that happens, your system overheats and turns off within 10-15 minutes like this guy. So we're cleaning. We're going to be cleaning all that. We're going to be removing all that dust. There's no more dust blocking the heatsink panel. It's all clean. And now the console can breathe again. I'm also gonna remove the fan and clean that as well, because it's really filthy in there. These, it's actually just 1 screw. Clean the fan and clean this area out as well. Okay. Wow, that was really filthy. Now we're gonna install our cleaned heatsink back in. So basically from here on, it's just reassembling the console. Okay, and now this is the motherboard. Connect the fan. Install the power button. the old-fashioned way. Closing everything up. You guys can slow down the video if you want to see where all the screws go. It took me a while to learn where each one of them goes, so. And connect the connector cable. So then all the screws are in. Now we're just going to close it back up. And the two torx screws go back in. And then we're going to have to get this console a cleaning on the outside because it's just filthy. And there you have it. It's that easy. It should be working properly now. And as you can tell, it is at least 10 times quieter now. There's no noise coming from the console, which is how we want it to be, just like when it left the factory. And now when we start Fortnite, it doesn't get loud anymore like it was. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do check us out on the website at www.fasttech.ca, and stay tuned for more repair videos.